Got Nomad Steve back on the channel today. Today he's going to give us a tour of his Sprinter campervan creation. Hello Steve, welcome back.
Patrick, thanks for having me. We're going to give a tour of our Wanderer layout. This layout was put onto this lady's Sprinter 144. We can put it on a few different models too with the shorter wheelbases, and of course do options. We'll show you quickly when we jump in. She upgraded to the Flatline Vanco side steps. Super awesome, super beefy. Her front end was pretty maxed out from the factory swivel seats, 10 1/4 screen, navigation, 360 camera, all the stuff you're gonna love from Mercedes. Then we did the vanlife components headliner shelf. That way she can have a curtain rod for quick stops if she wants to put something down there. This is where you got your galley. You got 3 big drawers in here, all different sizes. There's all little pant flips and everything. Nice and deep, butcher black countertop. You got a super deep sink. Comes with a cutting board. It's going to come with a drying rack. There's also a drying rack deep inside there. We're doing a portable induction for her, so you can plug it in up here. She can cook in here, she can cook outside, or any variation of what she wants to do. That way you don't lose the countertop space. You got your inverter switch. That's the 12 volt Renogy 3000 watt inverter. You got your water pump and water heater switch. All your lights on your dimmers. Above you got your Contour microwave. Super sweet, brandy new. And then as always, we like to add a lot of 12 volt stuff. Outlets, so you got your cigarette port, in case your USB-C, and then you got regular USB 3.0s there. Up top, you got more storage. Nice deep storage in there. And this one's going to come with a closet. You'll see a couple cables that we added. That's because she added a 12 volt TV. That swivels all the way out. You can do it, you can watch outside, you can swivel it more to watch in the seat, you can swivel it the other way to watch while you're in bed. A few different options there. Below the sink, you got your 5-gallon gray tank. This only has that. That way it's super great for winter. You don't have to worry about anything in this van. There's no tanks outside at all, plus you got additional storage. You got your Dometic CRX 110. Change it to swing the right way. Then you got your freezer up there too. Big boy. Takes up the whole entire space in the counter. When we look up top, in the front you got a max air fan. In the middle on the roof you got 350 watts of solar. And then there's a Dometic RTX 2000 12 volt air conditioning over the bed. Cools this down super nice, super eco as far as amp drawer and all that stuff goes. This has cedar ceiling, stained semi-gloss. Underneath that is your insulation. We do that up top. We do double on the walls. The floor has 1/2-inch polyiso, then your 3/4 subfloor, and then your vinyl flooring, 100% waterproof. Going on the passenger side, you got your lagoon table, swivels everywhere. You can bring that passenger seat forward if you want to use it there too. This layout's going to come with this nice big bench. This is marine vinyl, awesome stuff. Underneath the bench is going to be your cassette toilet and additional just super deep storage, whatever you want to put all your bulk items in there. On this wall, there's an additional 110 outlet, additional 12 volt outlets, and then your front heater. There's also a heater in the garage. We'll show you that when we get back there. On the passenger side, you got 5 feet of storage up top for all your clothes and additional items. To get into the bed, you can step onto the bench. Get up into the bed. This has a queen. It's the RV short, so it's 76 inches long by your 60 inches wide, like a regular queen in your house. And then you're going to have reading lights above your bed. Those also have USBs for additional charging. And then this layout comes with an optional pass-through. That pass-through is, if you want long items, she's got kayaks, she's got other items, paddles, stuff that she wants to put inside here. So now you can pass through everything super easily. Or if you want to store stuff, be able to get it from the front without going to the back. You can see the pods we do is Backland Expedition gear. We do auto carpet. They are insulated. Super awesome stuff. We'll show you those as we go to the outside too. AM auto sliding window that has a screen on the inside. Here you can see the Backland Expedition gear pods. Fully bedline from them. Super strong. They don't bend like other types of versions of those. This is on a 4x4 chassis. Again, we can put that on the smaller ProMasters or the larger ones. We can grow the model out a little bit with different cabinet layouts and stuff like that. We're going to update our website so you can show everything. This one has a Flatland Vanco tire carrier. Briefly on the side, the driver's side, you have your 30 amp shore power that comes with an adapter. Again, you don't need 30 amp, but I like where it screws in nicely. And then you can see the driver's side Flatline Vanco step to get in. As we go into the back in the garage, everything here is all finished off nicely. On the passenger side, you have access to your hot water heater, all your valves, dump valve, a way to winterize, bypasses for your water heater, everything. This is equipped with an outdoor shower. Of course, has hot water, which is going to be stored right inside the little cubby here, the sprayer for it. And then you have your gravity fill. It's a 30-gallon tank, is going to come standard, and then your 2.5-gallon 12-volt hot water heater. There's also down below the SPAR S2D2 heater. That's going to be vented out the side of this cabinet, and we showed you up front. That way you have plenty of heat for the bed so it doesn't get cold, plus the front area too. Everything here is always going to come fully trimmed out. That way nothing's exposed. Behind all these are the screws. If anything had to get accessed, full access, you can go through everything. Always going to come with an LED light for always inside in here. This space here is adjustable. This has about 32 by 32 roughly. We can bring the bed a little higher if you want to. And if you do a different configuration, the water heater changes, so then you have a little storage back here, but that's going to shrink your width. That's if you don't have a door. On the driver's side, you have access to your cutoff switches, all your fuses, and everything's in there. There's another access in the back. This is a big 24x14 access. That's an 8-inch round access. These are all marine hatches. They come sealed too and everything. Super awesome. The back there is going to get you to your 12-volt fuses if you couldn't reach through the big door here. As always, you got a nice vent. And these are the switches for the lights that you saw inside there. If you have any questions about the Wanderer layout, or any of our other layouts, you can reach us at nomad_RVs or our website, nomadrvs.com.
Steve, always a pleasure to have you on the channel. Thank you for giving us a tour today. This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel.
Appreciate it, Patrick.
Hey, it's your host, Patrick Botticelli. Thank you for all your support throughout the years. It means a lot to me. And thank you for making it this far in the video. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. It's free. And if you would like your very own camper featured on this channel, please write to me at patrick@newjerseyoutdooradventures.com and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you in the next van tour.